Welcome back, nerds. If you stuck around this far, then you're interested in some of the bonus material. So what we're going to do is we're going to import our board into Fusion. So we're going to create a new Fusion design. You may not be able to do this right now if Autodesk hasn't set up the sharing feature for libraries. So I want to put my new design in play. You're going to notice we have a 3D package for everything except for the logo if you have one, and then the battery. I don't have a model for just some holes. So we're going to go ahead and push that. It's going to actually take a couple minutes. Great, so it says our board has been successfully pushed. So we're going to go ahead and launch Fusion now. Alright, so we have Fusion launch. We can go ahead and see that we're already in the play library. If I wasn't, then I would go here and click. Last thing I must have been doing was playing around. So we'll double click on this to open up our binary clock control module. Here we have it, our pretty binary clock control module. Should look exactly like what we did in the board. And you can see on the bottom, since we didn't have 3D models, these didn't show up. You can remove the red thing by getting rid of this guy and then the logo. So there we have it. There's the bottom side of the board, top side of the board. So hopefully this is cool. This is our binary clock control module. And once we do the LED display, we'll be able to see how it kind of fits together here with the header pins. So I'm going to close this for now. You can save it if you want. Alright, next thing we do is go to Arcatek. So if you're actually considering purchasing your board or seeing what it looks like in their render, you can go here. So you can do browse for files. You got to go find your project. I saved it just in the default projects. And binary clock control module, you have to do the board. If you select the schematic, it'll just yell at you and ask you to do it again. And you can see our board here. I like to put revision 1 here, continue, and now we can get explicit details on our board. So this is what Arcatek promises that the top of our board will look like. Bottom of the board, where the drill holes will be, the bottom layer, copper pour, top layer, copper pour. Board outline, not very exciting, but we'll see that there's going to be 2 holes here. Bottom solder mask, where all the purple is going to go. Bottom silk screen, so all the drawings. Top solder mask, where all the purple is going to be. And then top silk screen. Cool, so if you wanted to order it, you can click order, or you can save it. Great, so hopefully you guys got the control module. So next we're going to go into the LED display, and I'll catch you nerds later for that.